So, hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to see the Herenbach share price. So, first we will type here Herenbach share. Then we are going to money control side to analyze it. So, hello friends, today Herenbach share is at price 780.70. So, and it's up by 13.55 rupees and 1.77%. So actually the fundamentals of Heranbai is very strong. So it shows the indicator as bullish. It has today's open price at 774 and close close at 767. Actually it's the previous day's data. Then its market capital is 3,123 crore and its face value is 10. So we are going to analyze the chart. First we take the graph of 3 months, then apply the indicator stochastic RSI. So as we can see, the stock is now in the overbought zone and its RSI is cross 76 value. So I think from this value it should show some retracement, and this retracement I think it's up to 728 if in the worst case, but I don't think this stock come up to this price. So I think it will take support at 753. So 753 will act as a ES1 and 723 will act as a ES2. And so the target of this stock, I will talk about it. So the first once it crosses 800 level, so 900 it will achieve in very short period, and once it crosses its all-time high, which is 9, I think it's 945, then it will show a good rally. So I think for right now it's in overbought zone, so it will show some consolidation uh, near 780 to 800 level. So after crossing 800 it will show the rally. So after that we are talking about this financial. So it's average financials according to the money control side, and it's outperformer with respect to Nifty. So in last 1 month, Nifty gives 6.26% return and Heranba gives 10.25% return. So I think there is lots of upside is available in this stock. So this is latest last means recent company which came to market with their IPO price 628. So here we can see the price volume action. So today there are 6 lakh volumes are traded, and out of 6 lakhs 2 lakh volume are means they are going for delivery, means people put 2 lakh shares in their account. For last 1 month it performs 10.25% return, which is actually good as compared to Nifty 50, and in 1 week it gives 7.05% return. So according to the community sentiments, it shows 91% uh, of 91% people say that we have to buy this share at this current price. 5% say that we need to sell this share, and 4% say we need to hold this. And there are few comments regarding this. So lots of people have waiting for their results, which is on 12th. I think the result is on 11th June. So it's upcoming Friday. So we will see the results by Friday, and if the results are good, then it will definitely cross 1,000 level. It having board meeting on 11th, and it will also they will also consider the dividend. So this company is giving dividend first time, so we don't expect anything uh, because it's first time. So, and if we see the revenue growth of this stock, it's consistently increasing. In pandemic, it means just consolidated near 1,000 crore, but from last 4 months, 4 years, it shows consistency in their revenue. So net profit also, it also grows. In 2020, it having almost 25% jump in the net profit. So it shows that company has reduces their expenditure, and which will be effect in the net profit. And as well as earning per share is also decent, not by that much bad. And return of equity, it's also means growing more. So, and promoter having 74.15 percent shareholding means it's good data. Yapas, I don't think they are really interested in this stock, because till now, when the result will come, then I think Yapas and DIS will jump into this stock. And public also having 17.19% shareholding, and their competitors are UPL, PI Industries, Bayer Corporation, and Sumitomo Agrochemical. So we can see uh, Heramba is a agrochemical company. So I think the rainy season is coming. So I think it's having a very huge upside rally in upcoming months. So I will recommend this stock to buy. So, and the target for my first target will be approx 937, and if you hold it for 6 months, then it will definitely cross 1,000 level, and it will be stable around 1,200 or 1,300, I think. So before investing, please do your research and contact your advisor. Thank you. Thank you, friends.